One last snack and my vending machine will be ready. Yay! Now my vending machine is ready for business.
Hi there, Skye. What's this?
It's my snack machine. Would you like to try it?
Sure, I'd love to. Let's see, I'll have some gummy chews. Wow, it's such a great idea to put a vending machine here. You're gonna have a lot of customers.
Thanks, Eddie. I'm so proud of my idea.
Oh, what a great place for a vending machine. I could really use a snack.
Drinks, drinks! Get your ice cold drinks!
What?
Huh? A drink? I'm really quite thirsty.
That's right, we have apple juice, orange juice, carrot juice, and if you like something sour, lemon juice.
Alright, let's see. I think I'll have carrot juice. Refreshing.
Chase, you're taking my customers.
Don't be silly, Skye. Pororo can buy from your vending machine too.
Actually, I can't buy anything from Skye's vending machine. I used my last coin on yours.
Chase, why couldn't you set up somewhere else?
Relax, Skye. What's so wrong with a little friendly competition? In fact, let's make it a contest. Let's see who can sell the most.
All right, let's do this. Come on, everyone, try the best vending machine in Adventure Bay.
Krong krong. Krong!
Over here, over here! I have the best drinks in Adventure Bay.
Can you take all my money?
Huh? Aw.
Haha! I think I'm gonna win!
Well, we'll see about that.
Hi, Skye. Can I try your vending machine?
Of course, Marshall.
This looks good. Hey, what are you guys doing over here?
We're having a contest to see who can sell the most snacks. And it's time to see who won. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 coins. How many did you get, Skye?
Let me see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have the same amount of coins.
8 coins each? That means you're both winners.
Yay, we both won.
Yay, I'm happy with the tie. Hey Marshall, where's Rubble? I thought he was with you.
Oh, we were playing at the ball field. Last I heard, he was really tired. I thought he'd be back by now.
So thirsty. Must get something to drink.
Over here, Rubble, get something for me.
No, Rubble, over here. I have drinks too.
So thirsty.
Yay, I won. My vending machine's the winner. I'm the best at everything.
Chase, it's not nice to gloat. Nobody likes a sore winner.
Yeah, Chase, you're not the best at everything. I'm the better cook.
Let's have a cooking contest. And when I win, I can prove that I'm the best at everything.
All right, you're on.
Hey Skye, if you need help in the cooking contest, I'll let you borrow my refrigerator.
Do-do-do-do-do-do. No need. I have my own.
You have a suitcase refrigerator?
Oh.
Go ahead, Chase. You can start the contest. Show us what you have planned for the first dish.
All right, but I need everyone to clear the kitchen. I need plenty of room to work, so I can make my world-famous pizza. First, I start with my hand-tossed crust. Now to add some tomato sauce on the crust. Perfect. Now we need to add lots and lots of mozzarella cheese. And that's how we make cheese pizza. But I'm gonna add some toppings to make it taste extra special. We'll add some pepperoni, some healthy bell pepper, a mushroom, and finally, some black olives. And now let's add some Parmesan cheese. Perfect. Now it's ready to go in the oven. I'll just turn the heat up here. And be very careful when I slide it in the oven. All right, Skye, that's my first dish. What will you make for yours?
For my first dish, I'll be making a vegetable soup. Let me just get the ingredients I need. I'll need 1 slice of eggplant, there we go. Now I need to slice this tomato. Perfect. We'll need some asparagus. 1 and 2. Into the pot they go. And now for a slice of yummy carrot. Carrots are so good for you. Now we need to add 1 slice of turnip. And add it to the soup. And now the last vegetable for my soup. Some bell pepper. Yummy! Now to crush 1 clove of garlic for flavor. This will help the soup taste extra tasty. Let's put the pot on the stove. And add 1 cup of water. And then pour that into the pot. Let's add some salt. And a few shakes of pepper. And finally, 1 teaspoon of Mommy's Secret Seasoning. I need to stir it to make sure it's mixed. There. Now we'll just turn on the heat. And cover it while it cooks. It smells so good. Hey, what's that noise? What's going on?
Oh, don't mind me. It's just my pizza. Don't worry, everyone. It's just gonna be a little crispy. I won't burn my next dish, though, because it's a fruit salad. We'll start with this tasty banana, and I'll cut it up into smaller pieces. Great! Now for this juicy watermelon. We'll need to cut it up. Into the bowl it goes. Now for some fresh off-the-vine grapes. A yummy kiwi. In you go. And all the way from Hawaii, a pineapple. This'll be so good. And now 1 more fruit for my fruit salad. This weird-looking apple.
Chase, that's not an apple. That's a chili pepper. It's really spicy.
No, it's not. I'll prove it. Yeah! Ah! Spicy!
Oh no, Chase, you need to drink some milk. Here you go.
Ah, much better. I think my fruit salad's done without the spicy pepper. So you can go ahead and get started on your second dish.
Don't mind if I do, because I'm going to be making a barbecue. For grilling, we need to start the heat early. Now we can barbecue. Let's add our hamburger to the grill. Now for a juicy steak. This tasty hot dog. And finally, a chicken patty. When grilling, you have to be sure to turn the food over so it cooks on both sides. Last one. Perfect. Now for some tangy barbecue sauce. For our hamburger and chicken patty. We need a hot dog bun for our hot dog. I think it's ready. We'll need ketchup and mustard. For our hamburger, we need a hamburger bun. Let's add the patty, then a slice of cheese, a slice of tomato, and some lettuce. And then we'll top it with a sesame seed bun. There, everything's ready.
Now that our food's done, let's see whose food tastes the best and see who's the winner of our cooking contest.
All right, Chase, let's ask our friends whose food they like the best, and we'll see who the winner is.
I'm so hungry. What have you guys made for us to eat? I cooked a yummy pizza and a delicious fruit salad.
And I made my famous homemade soup, a hot dog and hamburger, and assorted meats.
That sounds so delicious. I can't wait to try it. Eddie, here's yours. For you, Pororo. Here you go, Rubble. And here's yours, Marshall. I give it an 8 out of 10. Pretty good, but the pizza's a little burned. I give it a 7 out of 10. Rubble, use your silverware.
Oh, right. I give it an 8 out of 10.
This is so well prepared. I give it a 9 out of 10. 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 32. I got 32 points. Let's see how many points you get, Skye, and then we'll see who's the winner.
Okay, time to serve my food, and we'll see how our friends like it. Here you go, Eddie. For you, Rubble. Enjoy, Pororo. Here you are, Marshall.
Wow, this looks so amazing. Who knew that soup could taste so good? I give it a 9 out of 10. This food's fantastic. I give it an 8 out of 10.
Wow, this hot dog is the best I've ever had. I give it an 8 out of 10.
Wow, that's so great, you guys. What do you think about the food, Marshall?
What food? I ate it all already. I give it a perfect 10 out of 10.
Let's see. 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 is 35. 35 is more than 32. I got more points. I'm the winner.
I lost. Wah! Chase, don't cry. Huh? Nobody can win everything. And besides, you should be happy for your friend Skye.
Yeah, and just because you didn't win this, doesn't mean you're not good at a lot of other things.
You guys are right. I'm sorry for whining, Skye. Congratulations on winning. You did a good job.
Aw, thank you, Chase.
And besides, she's not the only winner here. Huh? What do you mean? We're all winners because we have a ton of great leftovers to eat.